This is Mama Mish, and today in the Magic Kitchen, fried rice. From what I'm told, I have a very unique background or origin story. Yeah, I like origin story. Sounds more epic. I might be the villain or hero in someone else's story. Either way, we all originated somewhere and have superpowers that are ours alone. My origin story began in Vietnam. I didn't live there for very long before my parents moved to Thailand. There, for a short time, they were restaurant owners. By the time I turned 4, we moved back to New York, Queens to be exact, where Eddie Murphy came to America and found his queen. That's where I grew up. Now, if New York City is a melting pot, Flushing, Queens was the fire of it. I'm talking about ethnic diversity like I've yet to see anywhere else. And I've lived many places since then, and I don't think I'm exaggerating at all. The most ethnically diverse place on the planet ever was Flushing, Queens in the 70s. My mom enjoyed cooking and entertaining guests, so clearly the apple didn't fall far. We had a friend who owned Uncle Cane's, a Chinese restaurant on Roosevelt Avenue, and he would come to our apartment on days off and teach us how to cook authentic Chinese food. I don't remember specifics other than whatever we made was delicious. This fried rice is also delicious. I encourage you to make it your own with your veggie choices if you add meat or keep it plant-based. It's a great refrigerator cleaner outer. Make your kitchen magic. Like, share, subscribe.